Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to know when your Temu package is coming. First of all you have to do is open your Temu app on your phone and you have to order something from the Temu app. Once you have ordered your package or whatever your product is, once you've ordered that on Temu, all you have to do is then go to the U section on the bottom. From here you have to click on your orders. Click on it. From here you will see all of your orders. For example, here is a tab, view all, to pay, to ship, or shipped. You have to select shipped. So if none of your items has been shipped, then there will be no orders. And if I go to the to ship option, you will see all of my orders that I have already ordered, but they aren't yet shipped. So once they ship, they will go to the shipped category. From here on this page, you will be able to see how much time is required, where your package is currently is, in which country, and how much time will it take, and you will be able to estimate and know when your Temu package is coming. And that's how to know when your Temu package will be arrived. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.